Patrons of participating PrairieCat libraries now have access to a new mobile app experience. The PrairieCat Libraries Mobile app is available from the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. To download, open the store for your device and type in PrairieCat Libraries Mobile. Locate the PrairieCat on the go icon and download. If you still have the previous PrairieCat app, it's recommended to uninstall it as the important features have been disconnected. Once the app is finished downloading, tap Open or the icon on your device to launch. Before logging in with your library card number and PIN, you'll see the main PrairieCat display with very limited features. Tap the Login button and either type your library card number or use your device's camera to scan the barcode. To use this feature, you'll need to give the app permission to use your device's camera. Type in or scan your library card number and hit Continue. Next, type in your PIN. If you don't know your PIN, contact a library staff member. Upon a successful login, your library's app display will load. In the app, you can view checkouts, place and maintain holds, and opt into viewing checkout history, among many other great features. To enable checkout history, open the side menu by tapping the hamburger menu, the 3 lines in the top right corner, or by tapping the My Account button. Under your name, tap My Details. From here, make sure the slider is green under Retain Checkout History, and hit Save Changes. You'll be able to see your checkout history under the Checkouts page from the side menu. You can view history from the last 6 months, 12 months, 5 years, or all. Opt out at any time by moving the slider back over to the left under My Details. This will not affect reading history in Vega Discover. In the Checkouts page, you can view the materials you're currently borrowing separated into General, Due Soon, and Overdue. To see more information about an item, tap the caret arrow icon. If you have a large number of items checked out, you can use the search feature to locate a specific item. To refresh this page, tap on the icon to the left of the magnifying glass. In the Holds page, you can view and edit the items you have on hold. They'll be separated by items ready for checkout, on hold or waiting, and suspended. Holds that are available on e-materials can be checked out directly in the app. For physical materials, you can view the item, cancel or freeze the hold, and change the pickup location if the item isn't already in transit to the library. If you have any fines, you can view them in the Fines page. To pay them, locate the Pay Fines and Fees tab on the home page, where you'll be redirected to Vega Discover, which prompts you to log in to enter the payment portal. To add an account, open the side menu and select Linked Accounts. Tap the Add button in the top right corner. Enter the desired account's library barcode number and PIN to link. You can switch between viewing all linked account information in the drop-down on the Checkouts and Hold pages. To remove a linked account, tap on their information in the Linked Accounts page and tap Remove. Linked accounts will also be removed if the account PIN changes. In the Preferences page, you can reorder some of the buttons on the home page. If a library has chosen to pin something to the top of the home page, it cannot be moved. Revert back to the original order by tapping the Reset Order button. Themes and Home View can also be edited here. The simplified view will remove icons, the search bar, and the hamburger menu. To open the side menu in this view, tap My Account. To reload the app without closing it, scroll to the bottom and tap the Reload button. The language of the app can be changed in the Language page. Select the language and tap the Switch Language button at the top. This will affect the default displays and functionalities of the app, but not custom text such as homepage button or catalog materials unless they are published in that chosen language. If your desired language isn't an option, contact your home library to request it. The catalog search bar is located at the top of the homepage, except in the simplified view. Tap Search and begin typing. Tap the magnifying glass to confirm the search terms. You can then sort the results by Date Newest, Date Oldest, New Materials, and Relevancy in the Sort By facet. Search for a specific type of item in the Format facet. Limit the results to your home library in the Limit To facet. And change to an author, title, or concept search in the Search On facet. You can limit by age group or e-material in the Search In facet. Limiting the location of the search results will not always show items that are currently available at that library. Items may still need to be placed on hold. To view the available formats of the search results, tap on the cover image. All formats that relate to that search facet will appear. Some items may have multiple editions of the same book. To view more information, select a format. You can place a hold directly from here or view the availability by scrolling down. You can select Available Only to show locations that currently have that item available to check out. If there are many locations that own that item, you can search for your desired library or tap More at the bottom right to view all locations. Some libraries have opted to add a button to their homepage that brings users to their Vega Discover online catalog. This will open the catalog in a browser window for a classic searching experience. Tap the X to go back to the app. With the PrairieCat Libraries Mobile app, you no longer need to worry about leaving your library card at home. Tapping My Barcode will bring up a scannable digital library card and automatically brighten the screen. Turn the device on its side to get a larger barcode. If you have linked accounts, you can switch between them by using the arrows to the right and left. Some libraries have the option to add the digital library card to the user's digital wallet. If that option is available, the button will appear below the barcode. Have you ever been out at a bookstore or chatting with a well-read friend who always has a new recommendation and wanted to see if your library has those books available? With the Scan ISBN barcode feature, you can scan any book and place a hold directly in the app if any PrairieCat library owns it. Locate the manufacturer barcode on the back of the book to scan. Depending on your library's customizations, there may be an eBooks and eAudio button. This may either open the search page with the eMaterial vendor already selected in the search facet, or have links to eMaterial apps or websites such as Overdrive, Libby, or Hoopla. The Nearest Libraries button opens a list of all the PrairieCat libraries, excluding school libraries, in order of closest distance to your device. If location access has been denied for the app, the list will be in alphabetical order. If needed, search for the desired location with the magnifying glass icon at the top right. Tap on the location's name to view opening hours, contact information, and address. To open in your device's GPS, tap View on Map or Get Directions. There may be other buttons on the homepage that can direct you to the library event calendar, social media accounts, and/or additional online resources. If you experience any issues while using the app, you may want to attempt these troubleshooting actions. Restart the app by going to the Preferences page from the side menu and tapping the Reload button. If that doesn't help, you may also uninstall and reinstall the app. Be sure to keep the app up to date if automatic updates aren't enabled on the device. When contacting a member of library staff, let them know which device model you're using, for example, an iPhone 16 Plus or Samsung S25, and the software version the device is running on. Thanks for watching, and have fun exploring the PrairieCat Libraries mobile app.